There are two main factors for increasing the efficiency of your asphalt plant. One is to increase the effectiveness of the facility and the equipment. The other is to increase the productivity of the humans who work there. In this video, we're going to address both. Asphalt plant facility. Two key drivers of asphalt plant efficiency are reducing energy use and keeping equipment in good working order. Clean it up. Just keeping the facility, equipment, and fuel clean can increase your asphalt plant's efficiency. Facility. Keeping the overall asphalt facility clean helps reduce the amount of stuff, dust, dirt, and grime that can get into the equipment. Oil buildup in your asphalt machinery may not cause them to break down, they just work less efficiently. For example, dirty burner components require the burner to work harder to turn the fuel to vapor, which of course uses more fuel. Equipment. In time, all the filth can stress the equipment's components until they do fail. Now you may need to replace equipment that otherwise would have years of service left in it. Fuel. Recycled fuel can gum up the works. Any type of recycled fuel requires processing and filtering, so it's clean when it enters the burner. Insulation. Insulating both the asphalt plant facility and the equipment can greatly reduce energy cost. 1-inch insulation around pipes reduces heat loss by millions of BTUs a day. That can add up to tens of thousands of dollars over the course of a year. You can also use insulation blankets in hard-to-reach areas. The blankets are readily removed when needed. Tanks should have 4 inches of insulation. New tanks may have up to 10 inches of insulation. However, that much insulation doesn't really add enough value to cover the extra cost. Paint it black. Painting the silos and other asphalt plant components, such as drag slats, retains more of the sun's natural heat in the facility, saving energy. You should consider rotating your mixing probes to make sure you get accurate temperature monitoring. This also extends probe life. Keep aggregates dry. Your burner and dryer use the most energy at any asphalt plant. Keeping your aggregates as dry as possible means the dryer is using less energy. A 1% decrease in stockpile moisture can reduce costs by almost 12%. There's two ways to reduce the moisture of your stockpiles: cover or slope. A cover reduces moisture and dust emissions. Sloping the stockpile, ideally at 4%, will also reduce moisture by draining water away from the aggregate. CoverTech has a line of custom-made covers. Another way to keep the moisture out is to cover the feeder belts as well as the conveyors. This too will reduce dust emissions.
Now before we continue, be sure to crush the like button and subscribe to E&C to receive more heavy equipment guides. We do appreciate your support.
New equipment. Depending on the age of your equipment, it may not have been built with energy efficiency in mind. It's possible that replacing certain components of older equipment can decrease its energy consumption. In some cases, buying new or newer equipment can increase energy efficiency enough to cover the cost. In addition to lower energy consumption, high-quality new equipment, such as an industrial heating system, typically needs less repairs. This also reduces downtime, saving money. American Heating Company has thermal fluid heating systems that are made in the USA. Equipment maintenance. Keeping your existing equipment well maintained can extend the service life. It can also increase energy efficiency. Of course, equipment that breaks can lead to plant shutdowns that cost money. Develop a regular equipment maintenance plan and stick to it. An effective maintenance plan also includes training employees in how to communicate maintenance issues, how to schedule regular maintenance, and how to prioritize issues that do arise to reduce or avoid plant downtime. People power. Your workers can impact asphalt plant efficiency in two ways: good ideas and safety. Let's talk. Who knows better what's happening with your equipment and your plant processes than the people who are using them every day? Talking with your workers can be done formally and informally. Walk the floor and talk to them. A simple "how's it going" or "what should I know about" can open up a discussion about issues that you may not have known about until it becomes an expensive problem. Let's meet. Meet with workers regularly and give them opportunity to air grievances and present ideas. Foster an open-door policy where workers can talk to you privately. Not everyone feels comfortable sharing in front of a group. This requires your management team to have an open attitude and be respectful. You might think a worker's idea is not feasible, but don't discount their feedback out of hand. Take action on good ideas and give credit to those who come up with ways to improve the asphalt plant's operations. Keep them safe. The best way to keep workers safe is to promote a culture of safety. Providing personal protective equipment, PPE, and ensure they use it. Install proper lighting so workers can see what they're doing and where they're going. Create a documented safety program. Provide regular safety training. Give incentives for positive safety outcomes. Provide training to refresh and improve your workers' skill set. Keeping your workers safe is the right thing to do. But from a purely efficiency perspective, it reduces downtime, which saves money. Strategic scheduling. It's not unusual for an asphalt plant to be working with multiple crews and different mixes simultaneously. Scheduling mixes strategically can improve your asphalt plant's efficiency. Ensuring you're regularly communicating with the different work teams throughout the day can reduce mistakes. This way you're not producing the wrong mix on the wrong day and wasting time and resources. Auditing. Hire a professional auditor to work alongside your team to review the asphalt plant's processes, systems, and equipment. It's important to have an outsider who can objectively look at all aspects of the plant, but the insiders provide context to what the auditor is reviewing. The insights of both the regular employees and management team are equally important in providing a full picture of the plant's operations. The goal is to document areas of potential improvement to increase efficiency. 10 tips to increase asphalt plant efficiency. Here's an overview of our 10 tips to increase efficiency at your asphalt plant. Number 1, keep the facility, equipment, and fuel clean. Number 2, insulate the plant and equipment. Number 3, keep aggregates dry with covers or sloping. Number 4, consider replacing older, less efficient equipment. Number 5, schedule regular equipment maintenance. Number 6, talk to your employees regularly, formally, and informally. Number 7, develop a safety plan and train your employees on safety procedures. Number 8, provide quality PPE for your workers. Number 9, employ strategic scheduling. And number 10, consider a professional audit to identify areas where asphalt plant efficiency can be improved. Conclusion. There's many ways to increase your asphalt plant's efficiency through a combination of thorough cleaning, equipment maintenance, moisture control, and energy conservation. Regular deep cleaning of the plant may cost a little downtime, but the savings in decreased energy use and increased equipment service life can greatly offset the cost of a periodic plant shutdown. Consider having a professional audit to identify areas within the plant to increase efficiency. Remember that the people power who interact with the plant every day can be your greatest asset. We'd like to thank our sponsor for this video, Asphalt Drum Mixers, manufacturer of high-quality asphalt plants and components for contractors and asphalt producers worldwide. Want to learn more? Call 260-637-5729 or visit admasphaltplants.com.